Our little monkey friend begins his day gathering fresh, ripe apples.
Together the monkey and duckling set off on a pleasant walk.
The little duckling wanders into the dense, vibrant woods.
The monkey proceeds alone, deep in thought, the apples still in tow.
Suddenly, the duckling senses danger lurking nearby. With a terrifying roar, a tiger emerges and begins a fierce pursuit. The little duckling runs for its life, desperate to escape. Just as hope seemed lost, the brave monkey arrives with a plan. A tense standoff begins between the determined monkey and the ferocious tiger. With a mighty swing, the monkey strikes the beast. The battle continues, the monkey fighting fiercely for his friend. Triumphantly over the reunited and safe, the monkey and duckling head back towards the familiar farm. Time to enjoy the fruits of their labor in the warm kitchen. Sharing a cool, sweet drink together, celebrating a successful day. The next chore calls: gathering fresh fodder. A sudden, tragic sound echoes through the forest clearing. The monkey finds the small creature and approaches cautiously. He administers first aid, wrapping a bandage careful around the injury. The monkey gently scoops up the kitten and carries it home for proper care. Ensuring the kitten is nourished, the monkey prepares a nutritious meal of tender roasted meat.
A final check and fresh dressing for the healing wound.
He continues to provide gentle care and soothing comfort as the kitten rests.
With the kitten recovering, the monkey prepares for the next necessity: fresh fish. With practiced ease, the monkey casts his line into the shimmering water. A tug. Something significant has taken the bait.
Yes! I got one! I got
A magnificent catch. A truly excellent fish for dinner.
The fish is meticulously prepared, cut into perfect portions.
The little kitten enjoys the freshly caught fish, its tail signaling contentment.
With its health returning, the kitten invites the monkey to play a cheerful game of ball.
As twilight settles, the tired friends finally rest side by side.
The next day dawns, and the chimpanzee heads out to the fields in his tractor. It's time for the beet harvest. Hard work in the sun. He continues methodically, filling the trailer with the root vegetables.
The trailer is heavy and full. Time to transport the crop.
Utter defeat washes over the little farmer. The tranquility shatters as a huge, dark snake emerges menacingly. Another crisis averted. The monkey is overjoyed by his success. The tractor is loaded high with dry hay, ready for storage. He carefully unloads and stacks the winter provisions. The snake shifts position among the dry, rustling hay.
Suddenly, the snake wraps its
Snake! He strikes the snake repeatedly, aiming to break its hold on the machinery. The blows successfully force the reptile to release its grip. With a final hiss, the snake retreats hastily back into the forest shadows.
With the snake dealt with, the monkey resumes his journey.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! He rises, stretches, and steps out into the fresh morning air.